addressing the rage in the feminine. So it's Tuesday, March 26th today. It was a full moon yesterday. And I've received so many emails from so many women about this anger and this rage that's bubbling up inside of them. And yes, the full moon has a lot to do with that because it brings those energy to the tables. We're coming up to that solar eclipse next week. There's lots of stuff going on the planetary. And most of us know, who follow me or who just are aware in the spiritual realm, that COVID represented the shift into the matriarchy, out of the patriarchy. And these big planetary things like full moons, solar eclipses, they're going to bring it to the surface. But what do you do with it? So a lot of us are being really triggered by the masculine, like the men who don't do something, or the men who said they would do it and they didn't do it, or taking advantage by a man, or whatever. And if you're experiencing it, welcome to the collective. Tick number 1. Tick number 2. Stay in anger? Well, yeah, you got to feel the anger and rage because it's like a cellular response to what you're experiencing. So don't dismiss that step. It's a very important step. So step 1, contrast. Step 2, feel the rage. Step 3, sit with it for as long as you need to. Ideally not your whole life. Step 4, realize that the rage may be towards this partner who did or didn't do something, or this person took advantage of you. But really, the rage is there because we have forgotten our power as women. We have forgotten the Divine Mother who represents the energy that brings life to the planet. We have forgotten the energy of the Mother who creates. We have forgotten the energy of the Mother who heals. This energy of the Mother that heals, creates, is so effing powerful. So powerful that we want to, as women, sit still in her power. And our anger to the masculine is actually anger that we have to ourselves for forgetting this truth. And here's the deal. When you hold that truth of who you are in step 4, your whole vibration is going to change. And then because your vibrations change, you're not going to attract in, quote unquote, any stuff like that anymore. You'll only start to bring to you partners, experiences, situations which are a match to your empowerment because you deserve it and so do I. Sending you lots of love on this full moon craziness.